Today I'm in the house with something pretty cool. I have to say a huge shout out to my buddy Tim for letting me put my paws on this beauty. Right over here we have a Hovin, a beautiful custom Aesir. Right over here, it's there's a lot of things going on into this one, and of course, as you might have noticed, this is another of those video that I have lost the audio, so I'm just dubbing the video. So I have to dub and just comment pretty much what I'm seeing because there's no audio, and there's no knife, so I cannot shoot the video again. So I have to go through this ordeal. Anyways. Padded box, and look at this thing, ridiculous in a good way. This is something amazing from Norvegia, from Norway. Sorry, Norvegia is in Italian. Norway, Hovin. This look at this mosaic Damascus colored blade, insanely beautiful, like. With the zircutai on the bolsters, the molar mammoth set of scale with full hidden hardware, titanium liners, orange peeled, bronze anodized and jeweled on the inside. There's a hidden hardware zircutai pocket clip as well. Would you look at that? Look at the lines, at the contouring, the polishing, the amount of work. Look at the detail on this mammoth molar is insane. Crazy. The back spacer is also matching the blade, of course. It's just ridiculous. It's a flipper, and look at the blade. I mean, the complex, like the double recurve, I mean, hologram. Look at the swedge, the coloring, the mosaic. That it's insane. It's over the top. It's a full dress custom hardware, bronze anodized. Look at that thing. The signature is on the inside of the spacer. I wish you guys could feel this thing because it's really smooth, like to touch. The transition between the mammoth, for example, and the zircutai is just great. It's like this thing is done by hand, by the way, with traditional tools. There's no CNC machining going on over here. There's pure artistry going on right there. This is what I'm talking about, and this is blood and sweat for sure. It's not like pushing a button. And yeah, here you get someone with the hands on the tools creating something out of the ordinary, for sure. That is a one-off, cannot be repeated. Look at that, where I mean, that's like sharpening, like finger choil, obviously, and you get the bevel extending on the non-sharpened area. You get a nice finger groove right there. You can choke it up like that. You have a divot for your thumb. There's no jimping, of course. We're not talking about jimping here. This is about smooth surface and locking into place with that thumb ramp. You're good to go. Very, very cool. I am probably repeating the transition, testing with my fingernail and putting this thing under the microscope to show you how precise the work it is. Back spacer lined up, sandwiched, beautifully executed job right over here. I mean, somebody might say, yeah, that's not my cup of tea. It's over the top. It's too loud, and I understand. I mean, guys, it's there's knives for every taste. If you like plain Jane, yeah, there's plenty of plain Jane. If you like fancy, elaborate, and busy, this is the one. This is one amazing. Look at that. Look at that clip. Matching like I mean, it's just gorgeous. So the action needs to break in over here. This is just brand new. It's made to order, so it's not broken in yet. And of course, this is going to become very smooth. There is no detent ball ramp, if I remember correctly. but there's a level of awesomeness going on over here that is very hard to match, guys. This is high-level craftsmanship for sure. Look at the detail right there. Look at that. Look at that spot right there. How cool is that? How precise is that? Yeah, handmade. So flipper right there. That is a beautiful line. Look at how all the lines are converging into that spot, and making this knife just nicely sinuous and locking into place as a tapered down handle. So I mean, guys, this is a piece of functional art, so you're not gonna be going into the woods doing anything stupid with this. This is something you keep on the desk. It's a conversation starter. I mean, look at that. It's locking into place. Here I'm saying how pointy that tip is, how stabby it looks. Kind of almost looks like it's sharpened on the top, but it's not, obviously. And but the tip, it's sharp for sure. Look at those colors shimmering in the light. You have the blues, the green, the purples, the violet, the yellows, the teals. You have a full-on rainbow going on that blade, and the blue of the mammoth tusk is just complementing beautifully, I would say. So that is pretty cool. I'm saying that pretty much that there's blade is centered. Yeah, I'm trying the tip test to see if I can snag the tip, because it's not going to be able to hurt you. But probably I'm trying to snag it with my fingertip, and I can. Yeah, but this doesn't mean that is like a safety issue. It's just like something that I like to test. It's safe. You have to try hard to pull out the blade with your fingernails. Why would you do that in the first place? Anyways, this, as I said, needs to break in a little bit more. The lines are there. The uniqueness on the design is right there, is guaranteed. No other knife looks like this guy. The lines, the materials, the execution are excellent. Really, really cool. You might say, again, that's not my cup of tea. It's too busy, the lines. Sure, there's going to be somebody else in love with this. Personally, I would say this is not my style, but I would say that I love this thing. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.